Thursday on WLKY. Imagine living with hiccups for almost 3 years.
I've tried everything.
2 years ago, WLKY introduced you to a local man with this startling condition.
None of it's really helped, because I still got the problem.
See how he lives with this unusual phenomenon.
I miss out on a lot of stuff.
And hear the desperate measures he's taken
They took my gallbladder out.
to cure the condition that plagues his life. The Hiccup Man. Thursday at 5 on WLKY.